I researched and tested some of the best budget 3D printers in order to find the best one, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly what the perfect 3D printer is for you. Like the Creality Ender 3V2, which is an affordable printer that has a compact build, intuitive controls, and consistently solid print quality. The only problem is that the Creality Ender 3V2 isn't perfect for everyone, and if you don't know some specific things to look for, you could end up with a printer that won't work well for you, which is why I've made sure to include options for all types of people and all the information you'll need to know to find the perfect product. So, regardless of what you intend on using it for, I'll have the best affordable 3D printer for you. I'll also have links to the best and most up-to-date prices on all the products I mentioned in this video in the description. The Creality Ender 3V2 is a reasonably priced and easy-to-use 3D printer that comes with a relatively intuitive assembly process, fast heating for the nozzle and bed, and intuitive controls that make it ideal for beginners or budget-conscious shoppers. It has a relatively compact design that shouldn't take up much space and only weighs around 17 pounds, so you can move it around when needed. And it has a quick and easy setup process that allows you to start printing nearly out of the box. It features an LCD panel on the base with a dial to cycle through the print, prepare, control, or information functions, or enter commands. In addition, it has a convenient rotary knob on the extruder that makes it easier to load or feed filament, along with a useful toolbox to keep your favorite accessories within reach and organized. Like the higher-end Monoprice Voxel I'll mention later, it comes with a heated print bed to print with thermoplastics such as ABS, and it also has a textured glass bed to keep your prints in place when they're hot, to prevent warping and deliver more consistent figures. Overall, it can routinely deliver solid, detailed prints with several types of filaments, so it's a good choice for casual printing, although manually leveling the print bed can be somewhat difficult. It also has a pause and resume function that automatically restarts the printing process if it's interrupted. The Creality Ender 3V2 is a solid 3D printer that provides plenty of value, and you get a heated print bed that supports a wide range of filament types and surprisingly consistent, detailed print quality considering the price. If you want a compact, easy-to-use 3D printer that can nail the basics each time, this is an excellent option to consider. Next up, I have a cost-effective 3D printer that comes with intuitive slicing software, a thoughtful design, and consistently impressive results. The Elegoo Mars 2 Pro is my choice as the best budget 3D printer for the money in 2023. Elegoo's Mars 2 Pro is a solid and affordable 3D printer that comes with some useful quality-of-life features, such as an air filtration system to reduce odors, along with a surprising printing resolution and fast layer curing. It has a robust design that features a solid metal black base, a textured CNC milled aluminum build plate, and a clear red acrylic hood to contain fumes, and it only weighs around 13 pounds if you need to move it around. I like that it ships fully assembled, so you can start printing almost right away, and you get an Allen key to level the build plate, a replacement FEP sheet, and a drip bracket for easy cleaning, though the resin plate is side-mounted and can be difficult to remove. In addition, it has an intuitive 3.5-inch touchscreen 2K display to begin printing. Despite its affordable price, it delivers impressive printing speeds and only takes about 2 seconds per layer to cure resin, an impressive 2560 by 1620 print resolution to deliver impressive detail, and a solid build volume that's ideal for smaller jobs. It also has a built-in carbon air filter that pulls fumes from under the red hood to reduce odors from chemicals, which makes it a good choice for smaller spaces, along with a max fill line on the resin tank and a spot to help avoid spilling material. In addition, the included Chi2 box slicing software that's user-friendly and offers some more in-depth optimizations. The Elegoo Mars 2 Pro is designed to quickly produce solid prints, and it ships with a sturdy build, an integrated filtration system, and the ability to quickly produce prints without losing much detail or causing much stringing. This is an excellent choice if you don't want to spend too much and just want something to print smaller models like tabletop gaming figures. If you're looking for an affordable 3D printer that offers the best combination of build quality, ease of use, and all-around printing performance and quality, the Monoprice Voxel is my choice as the best overall budget 3D printer in 2023. The Monoprice Voxel is a quality 3D printer that doesn't cost too much money, and it offers an intuitive touchscreen display to make precise adjustments, solid print speeds, an intuitive setup process, and impressive print quality. It comes with a closed frame that remains reasonably quiet during operation, and provides better safety from hot liquids than open models such as the Creality Ender V2 that I mentioned earlier. And it also helps to reduce the smell from printing with ABS builds or other thermoplastics. It comes mostly pre-assembled and calibrated, so you can start printing almost right away. And you get a 2.8-inch touchscreen display with intuitive assisted level adjustments for beginners and convenient low filament alerts. In addition, it has a quick change nozzle that allows you to quickly and easily remove or replace the nozzle without needing additional tools. It comes with a heated print bed that allows you to print with multiple filaments in resolutions up to 50 to 300 microns. And you get solid print speeds up to 60 millimeters per second to quickly complete your projects, though it will produce some misprints at times. It has a removable build plate to remove completed projects without damaging them, and a specially designed surface texture that supports the layer of prints and provides a more stable foundation. In addition, it offers some useful modern features and allows you to print files over Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or from a USB thumb drive. The Monoprice Voxel is an easy-to-use 3D printer that comes with an intuitive setup process, a heated print bed that allows for greater versatility by supporting several filament types, and quality all-around performance when printing your projects or figures. If you want a 3D printer that can consistently produce quality results for a reasonable price, this is an excellent choice. Next up, I have an effective and affordable 3D printer that comes with solid all-around performance and several easy-to-use features and controls to learn the basics. The Monoprice Mini Delta V2 3D printer is my choice as the best 3D printer for beginners in 2023. With its surprisingly sturdy metal frame, intuitive touchscreen display, fast print times, and solid performance, the Monoprice Mini Delta V2 3D printer is an ideal choice for children, smaller spaces, or anyone new to 3D printing. Despite its affordable price, it has a surprisingly sturdy steel and anodized aluminum frame that's built to last, and a lightweight build that only weighs around 4 pounds, so you can easily reposition it when needed. The build area measures about 4.7 by 4.3 by 4.3 inches, which should be enough for basic printing tasks, though anyone who wants to do larger runs or projects might prefer a larger model like the Monoprice Voxel I mentioned. You also get an adaptive touchscreen display to navigate the interface, advanced auto leveling to help with consistency, and an internal diagnostic system to troubleshoot issues. It features a unique Delta coordinate system, which delivers impressively fast print speeds with minimal misprints, along with quiet driver motors that only produce about 30 dB of noise when in use, although it doesn't produce the printing quality of some more expensive competitors. In addition, it offers support for PLA, ABS, PETG, and several other filament materials for added versatility, and it's compatible with both Cura and other open-source 3D printing slicing software programs. You also get a micro SD card slot, a micro USB port, and integrated Wi-Fi compatibility through the PoloPrint Pro companion app. The Monoprice Mini Delta V2 3D printer is a quality performer that's available for an affordable price, and it offers support for several filament types, good printing quality, and several useful beginner-friendly features that help deliver more even, consistent print quality. This is a great choice if you're new to 3D printing and want a printer that can get the job done and help you learn the basics. Finally, most people might just want a 3D printer that won't take up much space, is easy to use, and can routinely deliver quality prints with minimal stringing or unevenness. The original Prusa Mini Plus is my choice as the best budget 3D printer for most people in 2023. The original Prusa Mini Plus is a quality 3D printer that won't cost you too much money, but it still comes with intuitive controls, several high-quality components, and feature-rich, user-friendly software to nail a variety of printing requirements. It has a compact, reasonably lightweight design that only weighs about 11 pounds and comes with an intuitive assembly and setup process. It has a sturdy build with aluminum and metal rods to form the frame, and you get a 7 by 7 by 7 inch print area area that should be big enough to handle most printing needs, though it has an open design that can't filter air. In addition, it comes with a 2.8-inch LCD display that features a dial to navigate the interface, and a reset button to start over. I also like that it has a built-in filament sensor that detects when the level is low and pauses the print, so you can quickly swap out the spool without losing the print or sacrificing quality. It delivers impressive and consistent printing results that feature excellent detail and top-notch object quality considering the price. And it supports a range of filament types depending on your needs or preference. In addition, it comes with a new Super Pinda probe that provides temperature-independent automatic mesh bed leveling and prevents temperature drift to deliver a more consistent first layer. You also get intuitive and feature-rich Prusa Slicer software with built-in tools like advanced support generation, automated object distribution, and more. The original Prusa Mini Plus is a compact and high-quality 3D printer that offers a sturdy build, support for several types of filament, and top-notch printing performance each time with plenty of detail. If you're looking for a well-made 3D printer that's easy to set up and offers excellent printing quality for a good price, this is your best bet. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video.